Silverback Epoxy. You get the checking in this post completely closed off with Silverback. Now look, this is the toughest stuff available right now for deck post cracks. I keep telling you guys, it's 8,000 psi of resistance. Okay, so in order for this crack to open up, it has to have more than 8,000 pounds per square inch of resistance to break this epoxy out of here, because we've shoved it way down in there. But look, there is no breaking this stuff. That's these marks that you're seeing, that's the knife going into the wood. It's harder than concrete. You can't get into it. You can't pull it out of there. There's no knifing it out of there. There's none of that. Insanely tough. This is what you need for deck post cracks. This right here, actually going into the wood itself. All right. Now we're finishing this. So if this was caulk, I could just pull it and rip it out, but I can't. It's actual epoxy, so I'm not going to destroy it massively. But harder than a rock. What you need for cracks.